Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to add languages to your Upwork profile. Now let's begin. This is the interface of Upwork once you have logged in, and right now we just want to add languages to our Upwork profile. At the top right, here's your profile icon right here, Profile and Accounts. Simply click on it and something like this will open up. Do note that we only want to add languages, so we only want to go to this your profile section. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then this will open up. Right here, you can edit your profile settings and everything. Simply scroll down, and right here on the left side, you'll see something like languages. Right here next to languages, you'll see a plus icon and an edit button that's like a fan. I'm simply gonna click on this plus icon right here as I want to add languages. And from here, I can select any language of my choice. I'm simply gonna select a few. Well, as you can see, I have selected a language. Now I just want to add it. Let's simply hit on save. And guys, that's it. That's how we add languages to your Upwork profile. It's quite easy. In case you want to delete them, simply click on this edit button right here. Then from here, you can delete them as well. Simply click on this trash can icon right here. And guys, that's about it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.